nuts up in a tree wiggled and jiggled so happily. Along came the breeze with a gentle wash. One little nut went whoop-de-whoosh. Four little nuts began to play, rolling and bouncing all the way. A squirrel came by with a happy hop, snatched one nut with a belly flop. Three little nuts in the morning light, spinning in circles, what a sight. A bluebird chirped and gave a flap, took one nut in her feathered lap. In the dancing leaves, playing hide and seek beneath the eaves. A chipmunk came with a speedy zoom and zoomed away with a nutty boom. One little nut looked left and right, under the stars and soft moonlight. A little kid smiled and said with glee, "I'll take you home to snack with me." Now the tree is quiet and bare, but giggles and rustles still fill the air. More little nuts will come and play when the breeze and sunshine find their way. Wiggle, wiggle, giggle and run. Five little nuts had so much fun. Sing it loud, clap